When you don't feel like folding clothes, sometimes the easiest thing to do is hang them up. The best clothes hangers will provide you with a durable way to hold your garments so you can store them in a closet or on a rack. With numerous clothing hangers on the market, it can be difficult to find the ones that best suit your needs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 clothes hangers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Hangers Pack of 30. Amazon is home to almost anything and everything you could possibly want, including the best clothes hangers on a budget. Made from plastic and velvet, these hangers are designed to support up to 10 pounds of dresses, skirts, jackets, hoodies, or trousers. The notched hooks can readily hold slim straps and sleeves up while in the closet so they don't droop down or fall off as you browse through garments. If your clothes need to be steamed, the swivel hook on top allows for easy movement to reach all areas of the garment without moving the entire hanger. Plus, they are available in 12 colors, whether you prefer neutrals like ivory and black or quirky colors like mint green and burgundy. Product details, dimensions, 17.4 by 9.2 inches, materials, plastic, velvet, color, available in 12 colors, weight capacity, 10 pounds, key features, slim profile, non-slip, 360-degree swivel. Number 2. Amazon Basics Hangers Pack of 24. Skirts can be difficult to hang up as they can easily slip and slide, but not with these hangers that come with clips. Instead of hanging the skirt on the arms of the hanger like with a shirt, you'll simply clip each side of the skirt into place, whether it's a mini skirt or a maxi skirt. The hanger also has notched arms, which can be used to hang up a matching top. The velvet fabric serves as a non-slip material to keep sleeves and straps in place. With that said, you'll want to limit the amount you hang up on each hanger because they can only support 10 pounds each. That means you might need more hangers in your closet if you have a sizable wardrobe. Product details, dimensions, 16.7 by 9 by 0.2 inches, materials, metal. Color, black. Weight capacity, 10 pounds, key features, bend resistant, rust resistant, dual clips. Number 3. Causafield 50 Velvet Kids Hangers. Kids' clothes are smaller by default, which means they require smaller hangers. It can be difficult to find small hangers that get the job done, but these can hold individual pieces in an organized fashion. Plus, there's a horizontal bar for hanging pants and skirts. The velvet wrap on the hanger helps prevent the clothes from slipping off so everything stays in place as a kid picks their outfit for the day. With that said, since they are made for children's clothes, they might not hold as many or as heavy clothes as adult-sized hangers, but they are definitely suitable for toddlers and young children. Product details, dimensions, 14 by 1 inches, materials, velvet, color, available in 10 colors, weight capacity, 5 pounds, key features, lightweight, 360-degree swivel hook. These hangers are small enough to hold kids' clothes and come in a variety of fun colors to suit any room decor. Number 4. Mizgi Premium Velvet Hangers, Pack of 50. There's nothing worse than shoulder marks on a shirt you just received in the mail. Not only does it look worn out, but it doesn't have the fit you hoped for. With that said, finding hangers with a contoured shape, like these from Mizgi, works with your garment instead of against it. You'll also find swivel hooks to help keep thin spaghetti straps, blouses, and dresses for hold and maneuvering. With that said, they are made from plastic, so they have a higher tendency to break, and you'll want to make sure you don't go over the weight capacity. Product details, dimensions, 17.9 by 8.15 inches, materials, plastic, color, available in 13 colors, weight capacity, 11 to 18 pounds, key features, contoured shape, windproof hook, swivel hook. Why you should get it. The contoured shape of these hangers will prevent unwanted bumps and wrinkles in your clothing. Number 5. Morelve Pants Hangers Space Saving, 2-pack. If you live in a small apartment, then you probably know how important space-saving measures are to make the most out of your square footage, and yes, that applies to the closet. Some hangers actually take up more space than they should, which is what makes this Morelve set some of the best clothes hangers to consider. Made from premium quality beechwood, these stackable pant hangers can hold up to 5 pairs each, so you can organize them based on length, color, brand, and style. You can also use them to hang scarves and skirts as well. The premium steel hardware keeps the hanger intact, and there are balance clamps to keep items sturdy and in place. Plus, They can be held horizontally or vertically depending on preference. With that said, this set of 2 hangers is more expensive than other options, and you may need to buy multiple packs in order to hold all of your pants. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.